This is an example of whole number integer addition, laying out the sum with the thousands, hundreds, tens and units columns and the sign on the side here. 998 add 465. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, so you carry the 1 here and 3 in the units column. 9 plus 6 plus 1 is 16, 1 down in the hundreds column, 6 in the tens column. 9 plus 4 plus 1 is 14, you carry the 1 into the thousands column and the 4 into the hundreds column. Okay, here we have the addition software to help you with the exercises that you can practice in your own time. You just download the software from LearningKeyStages.co.uk or other supporting websites, and you start off by selecting the exercise button here, and that will generate 25 questions. Every time you start that button, it'll generate a further 25 questions, all random. So the first question here is a 953 add 932. You enter your answer right here in the answer box, which is 1885. Which is a 603 plus 437, which is laid out here, and then you just enter your answer in this box here, which is 1040. Okay, we'll enter the next question, which is let's try number 18. 820 plus 444, or 444.